Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Tango account using your Google account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Tango application on your device, and once you open it up, if you haven't logged in or signed up already, you will see the Continue with Google as well as the Continue with Phone option. In order to sign in using Google, tap on the Continue with Google option. Once you tap on this, you will be asked to choose your Google account from the list of accounts that you have already logged in onto your device. After choosing your account, you will be guided through the next step, and you will need to tap on the Allow button from your Google account in order to proceed forward with signing in. And now you will be signed in to your Tango account right away, and you will be able to view the various different profiles and start chatting with them. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your Tango account using your Google account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.